As we shared in the main technique video, Advanced Organizer helps students better understand a lecture they are about to hear by using a template to structure the information. Here is how you can implement an Advanced Organizer in your online class. Create an organizer that is compatible with your lecture content, such as a Venn diagram or sequence chain. Examples of organizers are provided in our free download. Create an assignment in your learning management system with directions, expectations, and a downloadable template of your chosen organizer. Have students fill out the organizer as they view your synchronous or pre-recorded lecture. Ask students to scan or take a picture of their completed Advanced Organizer and upload it as an assignment. Advanced Organizers are great for drawing attention to the most important facts, concepts, or ideas of a lecture. At the K. Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try Advanced Organizer in your online class. Download our free support materials for step-by-step instructions and additional guidance.